We're not seeing this as a commercial exploitation model where we're just ripping out timber. We're actually trying to manage this ecosystem. I believe I'm working with nature to produce a product to help society, you know. I process the beech we harvest and produce products for health-based building.
Sustainability needs proof of life. If we don't have proof of life and honesty around it, people will stop considering it. It will become too hard for everybody. It'll be too conflicted, too hard to get to the truth. So through these materials, we get to the truth through health-based building. It's the removal of the confusion that's important if we're going to get progress. People are very confused and in many cases just give up. They can't see that there's anything that they can get a grasp on here. Our response to that is put it together on the shape of a home, put it together on an easy to understand platform, and then people feel, okay, I can do this. We're in what we describe as a Foreverbreathe Demonstration Home. It's demonstrating the combination of the materials, how they function, and the performance benefits they provide in combination. So Forever Beech is one of our standout stories, I guess, in that we understand it all the way through the harvesting practices. In this house, it's referenced in the timber windows and joinery, the items of furniture that we have in the home at the moment, the floors, the veneers. It brings that story of sustainability that we find very difficult to find in other timbers. In the home, we are able to capture data. The data is very important in bringing people an understanding of what sustainable materials can provide as performance. That includes what people are not so conscious of, which is the interior air quality. Everywhere we see at the moment that's in green is providing to us that the home is performing to what World Health Authority would like it to be. We've got to remember that nearly 400 parts per billion of that CO2 level is what's created in the outdoor environment before we get started. And it's that outdoor environment that we've got to be really conscious of at the same time as this indoor environment. It's health-based building's role to bring that understanding to the consumer. If we use these types of materials, it's two very positive outcomes. One, that we're not impacting the planet with those materials, and two, we're benefiting people's health.
It's up to the consumer really to make a decision based on informed knowledge of what they feel ethically comfortable with.
The very existence of what we've been talking about, more people need to understand that it does exist and it can operate in a way that is sustainable. We are supposed to be future-proofing the next generation and do need to be these better ancestors. And we will educate via the finished product to the consumer what that actually all means, how that combination working in harmony, why it's very important.
I desperately wanted to do something that would create positive change for the environment. Picking the cosmetic industry is as frivolous as it might seem. It's something most people buy and most people use, so it's something that I could have a genuine impact on.